I absolutely love this company. They have done my roof, both of my bathrooms, this kitchen, and everything looks wonderful. Love working with the guys. They always ask me, do you like it like this or do you want it different? They always communicated with me, and they were done in a timely manner. They weren't intrusive. They were very good about working and keeping things clean. Amado was wonderful with ideas, and Oscar really was doing a great job with these cabinets. Elmer did a beautiful job in the bathrooms with the tiling and everything. Love these guys, would do them anytime again. Good pricing, good timing, good integrity, wonderful people. Great company to go for. Thank you, Roof Fix Houston.